Sorry. Today we are slipping crystal meth into people's drinks and seeing how they react. Wow, I feel good. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna be going up to people and just squirting them. But before we get into that, I've got something to show you. See all that? I need you to like this video, I need you to subscribe, and I need you to turn your notifications on so you see it every time I post. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm joking, it's a joke. I'm sorry, it's a joke. I'm sorry. Trying to just make a joke, you know? No, if I can stop singing. And I'm sorry. 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 Oh. Why? Bruh, people don't mind getting sneezed on. It's literally like a fetish to them. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Do you want me to wipe it off?
No, it's all right.
I'm joking.
Oh, I love it. Great.
Sorry. You go on you. Oh, sorry, no. I got COVID, I do, sorry. You can do it on one? You can help me. You just film someone. What is your name, sorry?
Yeah.
Ian. Do you think you can film off this?
Oh, right.
You got Ian who's going to help me film someone. So we need to find someone first. It's best for someone bald so they can feel it on their head.
Right, okay. Let me go on, I'll go there with it.
Thank you.
I'm up for a crack, I'm up for a laugh.
We'll find someone now. We gotta find them, don't we? Okay, who should we get? That mum's number then? Or who do we go for? We gotta get someone who's focused on something, don't we? Oh, we'll get this man by you, Let me turn. We get it by you now. You ready? Sorry.
Oh, really?
No, I'm joking, it's water. We have to
do it to me, Emily.
Oh, you know each other?
Yeah. I didn't see him that much. Right, that's your last coffee, boy. We get you on YouTube, no man. Right. He's having it now, you know what, isn't it? Full footballers, we have it.
No way! You thought I sneezed on you?
No, I did, it was cocked, that was then. I even have done it on the football field. I sparked everyone on, man. It's the odds on that, though.
That's nuts!
Hey, got you again, man. Hey, keep an eye, right? Yeah, good, yeah, you? Yeah, fine. Apart from United.
You just say thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And then just go. That's honest though. Honest.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching.